The Karavali region of Karnataka is renowned for its stunning beaches and its unique temples. One distinctive feature of these temples is the practice of offering meals known as prasadam or annaprasada to devotees, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. One of the staples in this annaprasada is the soulful pumpkin sambar, which touches not only the taste buds but even the hearts. So let's dive into the recipe. Step 1 is boiling the pumpkin. Add some water in a vessel and let it get hot. Once you start seeing some bubbles in it, add the cut and clean pumpkin pieces to it. We have used around half kg of pumpkin for this recipe. You could use any vegetables that you have. Add one whole tomato finely chopped, some salt, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Mix it well. Cover and cook till the pumpkin is around 70% cooked. We will prepare the masala paste for this recipe till the pumpkin is getting cooked. For that, we need to fry a few ingredients before grinding them to a smooth paste. In a pan, take around 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 3 cloves of garlic. Now if you want to make it in authentic temple style, then skip the garlic. Add 4 Byadgi red chilies, 4 gundu chilies, 10 to 12 curry leaves, a teaspoon of raw rice. Roast them all on a very low flame. Add some coconut oil. My mom's logic is that if you add coconut oil initially to the pan and then add the spices might get burnt. So it's your wish whether you want to add it in the beginning or later. Roast them all on a very low flame for a minute or so. Then add around 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Most of the recipes in the Karavali region more or less revolve around these same ingredients with a few alterations. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now switch off the gas and add a small lime-sized piece of tamarind to it. Let all these roasted masalas cool down and grind them into a smooth paste. Now step 3 is making the sambar or the curry. When the pumpkin is almost 70% cooked, add the ground masala paste to it. Add some water. Water can be added as per the consistency that you desire. Mix it well. Check for salt and add more if required. Add some more jaggery powder if required. Cover and cook till it comes to a rolling boil. Once it comes to a rolling boil, you can switch off the gas. Step 4 is tempering. Take some coconut oil in a tadka pan and add around a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. 5 to 7 cloves of garlic. Now again, if you want to replicate the temple recipe, then skip the garlic. Add some asafoetida or hing, lots of curry leaves and add it to the curry. The Mangalore style pumpkin sambar or kembude kuddil is ready to be savoured with delight. As you savour this pumpkin sambar, let its flavour transport you to the sacred kitchens of the Karavali temples where tradition and taste comes together in a heartwarming embrace. Each morsel is a reminder of the region's rich heritage and the inclusive spirit that makes every meal a divine experience. So do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.